Hey there, welcome back to Adam Academy. I'm Arifa. Come on, let's get started with this exercise. Now today we are going to factorize a cubic polynomials. Come on, let's get started. Now here we have got the question as x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now in these two terms and in these two terms, can you find the common term over here? Yes, we can find here. That is x square is common. Okay, when we divide this x square with x cube, I am going to get x is left over. This is minus sign. X square gets cancelled. We get only 2, right? Now next is we have got minus sign here. In these two, nothing is common. We just take 1 here. 1 x minus into plus is minus 2. Now you can see that bracket is common. Okay, now leftover term is x square minus 1. As you can see that this is a formula you all know, I guess, that is a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. It is in this form, x square minus 1. So you can even write 1 square. Okay, this is a, let us assume this as a square minus b square. So we are going to apply this identity here, a plus b into a minus b. This one I am going to write as it is. Okay, this one is a plus b, second term, a minus b. That's it. I hope this is clear to you all, students. Now here, as you can see, first and last term we keep as it is. Will not disturb first and last term. Okay, students. Now I want minus 9x. That is, we are going to split this term. We are going to split minus 9x and we are going to split minus 3x square as well. Now you can see I have got 5. So I have to get the terms in 5. Okay, 5 se karenge. We get, that is, how do we get 9? 5 plus 4. Right, we have got two numbers, it is 5 and 4. X I am going to split both the sides. As we have got here minus, so that means if I add only I am going to get minus 9, is it? So same sign repeats here, correct? I am going to write here minus 5x minus 4x minus 5x minus 4x. Okay, I got this. Now as I have got here 4, so the pair, I should get the pair. Okay, now 4, starting with 4 here. Now, so 4 minus 1, if I'm going to subtract only, I'm going to get 3, right? 4 minus 1, I've got two numbers, that is 4 and 1. Now here x square both the sides. Okay, now first sign is minus. Now to get 3, I should subtract these two numbers, right? So subtract means let me change the sign. So I got here minus 4x square plus x square. 1 into x square is x square. I hope this is clear to you all. Now in these two terms, and in these two terms, I need to find out the common term. In these two, x square is common. Okay, if I divide this with x square, I am going to get only x. Now this is plus sign, x square gets cancelled, I am going to get 1. Now next sign is minus. In these two we have got 4 common and x as well. Now 4 ones are x gets cancelled, only 1x is left over. Minus into minus is plus, 4x gets cancelled, so 1 is left over, 4x ones are. Now here next is minus sign. In these two, as you can see, 5 is common. Okay, 5 ones are gets cancelled, I get x here. Minus into minus is plus. Okay, 5 ones are. I hope this is clear to you all. Now as you can see that bracket is common, right? Now leftover terms I am going to write here, that is x square minus 4x minus 5. Now this is a quadratic polynomial, right? Now let me multiply first and last term. I am going to get 5x square, these two, x square and 5. If I am going to multiply first and last term, I am going to get 5x square. The factors of 5 is 5 ones are 5. Now split x both the sides. Okay. Now the middle sign is minus. Fine. Now you can see that I need to get 4. That means I need to subtract these two numbers. So if I want to subtract, I have to change the sign. Okay. Now x plus 1. Okay. Now this will be x square. Let me split the middle term as minus 5x plus 1x. 1 into x is x minus 5. Is that clear, students? Now here x plus 1. Okay. Now in these two and in these two, what is common? X is common, left over. So x is left over, minus x gets cancelled, only 5 is left over. This is plus sign. Here nothing is common, we take 1. X plus into minus is minus 5, right? Now here it is x plus 1, and in these two we can find bracket common, and leftover term is x plus 1. I hope this is clear, students, right? Same method I am going to follow. First term and last term I am going to keep as it is. Now I have to split 32 and 13. 32x and 13x square. See, I have to start with 20. 20 से start करेंगे x. So now 20 plus 12. 20 plus 12 is 32, right? Now let me write x on both the sides. Here we have got plus sign. So let me write here plus sign. So to get 32, I have to add these two, right? So if I want to add, I am going to write the same sign as well. Now here 13. So first I am going to write this 20x plus 12x. Now my next number is 12. I need to start with 12. Okay, see here, next number is 12. So 12 plus 1. If I add these both, I am going to get 13, right? Now x square, both the sides I'll write. Now as is a plus sign, I'll write here plus. To get 13, I need to add these both. Add means same sign repeats. So this is plus 12x square plus 1 into x is x square. Okay. So see here x square terms, and these two I have splitted here. Okay. Now you can check in these two terms, in these two terms, and in these two terms. In these two you can find x square is common. If you divide this with x square, I am going to get only x here. Then this plus sign, x square ones are x square ones are. Now this plus sign will come here. In these two, 12, x is common. Okay, 12 gets cancelled, x gets cancelled, one more x is left over. Now plus into plus is plus. 12x ones are 12x ones are. Fine. Now this plus sign. In these two, 20 is common. Left over is x. So 20 gets cancelled, only x is left over. Plus 20 ones are 20 ones are. Now here you can see that bracket is common. Okay. Leftover terms are x square plus 12x plus 20. Okay. Now this is a quadratic polynomial. Okay. Let me multiply first and last term. I am going to get 20x square. Factors of 20. It goes in 2 tens are 20. 4 5s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Right. So these are the factors. I have to get 12. You add or subtract. Okay. We need to check. If I add, I have to get 12 here. This will work. But 4 and 5 when I add, I'll get 9. So no, I cannot take these factors. So I need to take these two factors, students. That is 10 2. So always write the greater number. Okay. Now we'll split x both the sides. Now here there's a plus sign. Middle sign, first sign is plus. Okay, to get 12, I should add these two numbers, right? If I want to add, I need to repeat the sign. Now this is x plus 1. Okay. Now this is x square. First and last term will remain the same, students. Only middle term splitting we are going to do. That is 10x plus 2x. 10x plus 2x. Now this is x plus 1. And in these two you can see a common terms. In these two x is common. Fine. X plus x gets cancelled. We get only 10. Here there's a plus sign. 2 and 20. It goes in 2 table. 2 ones are 2 ones are. X is left over. Plus sign. 2 ones are 2. 10s are 20. Right. Now this is x plus 1. In these two you can find a common bracket. That is x plus 10. And left over is x plus 2. I hope this is clear to you all. You can see that in these two we can find that y square is common, right? Now to y square, if we divide, I'm going to get only y here, plus y square if I get cancelled, 1 is left over. Now there's a minus sign. In these two nothing is common. Okay, 2y minus into minus is plus 1. Okay. Now you can see bracket is common. Leftover terms are y square minus 1. This in the form of a square minus b square. This term I'm going to write as it is. This in the form of a square minus b square. 1 square is 1 itself, right? So now here a plus b, a minus b. You have to assume that a as y and b as 1. A plus b, a minus b. Right, students? I hope this is clear to you all. So this is an example sum. It's a cubic polynomial. Let us factorize this, okay, students? Now I'm going to keep first term and the last term as it is. I'll not disturb this. I need to get the number, that is a pair of numbers, that is 142. 142x. I have to get a pair of numbers. Let me start with 120. 120. So 120 and here it is 22. If I add these both, I'm going to get 142, right? I'll split x both the sides. Now first sign, that is plus, is there. So plus, first plus sign I'm going to place here. Now if I add only, no, I'm going to get 142. So same sign repeats. I'm going to write here plus 120x and plus 22x I have written. Now next is 23x square, students. I have to get the pair of numbers. यहाँ पे क्या है? 22 is there. I'll start with 22. 22 and 1. A pair of numbers I got, that is 22 and 1. If I add these both, I'm going to get 23. Right? I'll write this x square as well. Now there's a minus sign. Okay? Minus. Now, if I add these two numbers only, now I'm going to get 23. Add means same sign will repeat, students. Now this is minus 22x square minus x square. That's it. I hope this is clear to you all. Now let me check two terms. Okay. In these two, x square is common. If I divide this, I'm going to get x here. X minus x square gets cancelled. 1 is left over. Minus here. In these two, 22x is common. 22 x gets cancelled, only 1x is left over. Minus into plus is minus. 22x gets cancelled, 1 is left over. Right? This is plus sign. In these two, 120 is common, students. Okay, in these two. Here 120 x is left over. Plus into minus is minus. 120 ones are. Okay. Now you can see that bracket is common. And leftover terms I just write here, that is x square minus 22x plus 120, right? Now let me multiply first and last term. I'm going to get 120 x square, right? 120 x square. Need to find out the factors of 120 so that I have to get 22 here. Okay, that is 12 tens are 120. X I will split both the sides, middle sign is minus. Okay, to get 22 I need to add these both. 22 I have to get, right? So I have to add these both. Add means I have to repeat the same sign. Now this is x minus 1 and this one is x square. Middle term splitting, I am going to get minus 12x minus 10x plus 120. Okay, now this is x minus 1 and here see in these two and in these two what is common? X is common here. Okay, so one more x is left over, minus x gets cancelled, 12 is left over, minus 10 and 120 the factors, that is it goes in 10 table. Okay, 10 gets cancelled, x is left over, minus into plus is minus. Now 0 gets cancelled, only 12 is left over. Okay, now x minus 1 here. In these two you can find bracket is common and leftover terms are x minus 10. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all students.